Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get fence skins and grow a garden new beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to click on this option, fence skins. Okay, and as you can see that now my fence skins is the wooden fence, and here we can unlock the each fence guys. For the bean fence, if you want to unlock it, you can reach the top of the beanstalk. Wait, I'm going to teleport to the top of the beanstalk. I'm just going to click on the portal. Okay, and then oops. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this location, and here you will be able to claim the bean fence. Okay, but we need to contribute to 10 growth, but here I need 2 more contributed growth to unlock. Okay, just go to the top if you want to claim the bean fence, and if you want to edit your fence skin, just click on this menu. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.